Hello everyone, today we will explore the journey to create the unique flavor of ramen, a dish loved all over the world. Do you know that behind every bowl of hot ramen is the meticulousness and dedication of talented chefs? They devote all their heart and love to bring diners wonderful culinary experiences. The secret of ramen is the broth, made from fresh, quality ingredients such as pork, chicken feet, ribs, pork skin. Ramen noodles are made from high-quality flour, rolled thin and cut into even strands. Then, the noodles are boiled until soft, but still retain their chewy, delicious taste that often contributes to the uniqueness of ramen. From soft-cooked pork, fresh green spinach, to soft-boiled eggs, delicious seaweed, after all the ingredients have been prepared, the chefs will begin to present the dish in a delicate, beautiful way. Every bowl of ramen is a work of art.so. We have explored the journey of creating a unique ramen flavor. Every bowl of ramen contains the passion, meticulousness, and love of the chefs. Enjoy this delicious dish and fully experience the wonderful taste of ramen.